Sometimes changing one element of a cocktail can completely change the flavor and influence whether or not you like it. So today, I made a strawberry infused Negroni. Oh, stop!
What? It's so good.
I made it better.
Ooh, so you did it.
Yeah, I did it. I made Vino's strawberry infused Campari from his channel, 60-Second Cocktails.
Which he got inspired from Nick from Cocktail Chemistry, which I did watch that video, which it did seem intriguing.
Yeah. And then I took Anne's advice because she made it from Home Bartender with Anne. So here we are. So I decided what better way to test this strawberry infused Campari than to make a Negroni.
Right, take something that you do not like at all. Two things, you don't like Campari and you don't like Negronis. But you do love strawberries.
Well, I like all of the elements of a Negroni, except the Campari. So I'm not going to say I don't like Negronis. I'm just going to say I don't like Campari.
Right, okay. But adding the strawberry factor from watching Vino's reaction about making it like a candy.
Yes.
Makes it very intriguing.
Yes, because I love candy.
Yes, you do.
So I decided to use the Tanqueray Rangpur gin because citrus and strawberries go hand in hand like summer.
Right, just like a strawberry limeade.
Yes.
You get at Sonic's or...
Can we go to Sonic?
No. We have a cocktail to drink.
Oh, but I want a strawberry limeade.
That's why you made this cocktail.
Right, I forgot. So I'm cautiously optimistic about this bad boy. Should we give it a try?
I'm super excited to give this a try. Think. Wow.
Huh.
That is bonkers.
Yeah.
Okay, so on a scale of 1 to 10, on the bitterness level of a Negroni, I think it's like an 8, maybe a 9.
The standard Negroni.
Standard Negroni. On this, it's like a 2.
Yeah. Yes. I expected more lime.
I think there's a lot of lime in this. I almost think there's too much. I think it's too citrusy.
In what world?
In this world that I'm drinking out of this glass right here. I'm just honest. What do you think?
This is a Negroni I can drink.
I don't know. I want that bitterness.
Which is why I can drink it. Because it's not there.
I mean,
it is.
Yeah, this is fine. Don't get me wrong. It's not like I don't like it. When you think Negroni, you have this in your head, then you drink this, and it's completely different. So at first you're like, I don't like it, but then like you drink it more. It's good. It's just completely different.
Yes, this is definitely a variation that is training wheels.
Yes, that's a good way of saying that. Training wheels for sure. Like you're kind of looking at the bike, like, oh man, I really want to take the training wheels off. They like it, but then your dad or mom are like, no, you need like 2 more weeks.
Go.
Yeah. So I don't know. It's good. I think we need to try it with just regular gin too, and I'm curious to see. Well, I will try it with just regular gin just to see. Yeah, but I like it.
Yes.
I mean, yeah. Don't get me wrong. I like the idea of the Rangpur.
Mm-hmm. But the strawberry Campari is actually really good, and this is coming from somebody who does not like Campari.
Right. And as you know, I really enjoy it. So if you want to check out our very first video on YouTube is actually a Negroni. And that's going to be right over here for you to check out.
And if you want to try another bitter cocktail that I kind of sort of like, the Aperol Spritz is over there too.
Yeah. Awesome. Cheers, guys.